Hey everybody, it's Bert from NeoHandyMan.com again. Today we're going to be tackling the unclogging of a stopped-up drain. Most homeowners, including myself, don't really relish the idea of having to do this. It's a disgusting chore, it really is. But this product gives you the opportunity to actually be kind of antiseptic about it, in that you really don't have to handle the gross stuff that comes out in any way, shape, or form. Let me show you. This is the product itself. And let's unpack it quickly. That is actually the bag that extends out like a tube around the zip stick, which is right here. The zip stick is a long, narrow piece of plastic with barbs on it. You can see right there. And that actually gets inserted into the sink. But first, we'll put it together. Slide it all the way through, give it a 90-degree turn to lock it in. And now, with the sink drained, you're going to have to bail it if it's completely clogged. But with the sink drained, you drive this thing all the way in, give it a little bit of a twist to lock in the barbs. Now, with your left hand, you hold the disc in place that has the edge of the bag. With the right hand, you pull this disgusting mess out of the sink. Gnarly. Ugh. Totally gross, but you don't have to handle it. Now, as you can see, nothing on the hands. Now, there's a little bit of residue left, though. We'll clean that up real quick. That is real quick. Okay, and now we'll run the water and see if it works. The drain is not filling up. Looking pretty good. Yes, sir. All right. So there you go. A disgusting chore handled very quickly and cleanly. This product is very inexpensive, easily found. If you found this useful at all, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Hope to see you again soon.